Touch it, bro. Nice and smooth, dog. Damn, yeah.
Wait, nah.
Fill me up, dog. Nope. Fill me up.
It's still rough.
Fill me up, dog.
It's still rough, bro.
Yeah, well, you know what, man? F you, dog. What's going on, Noirgang? So we're back with something different today. So one person was actually surprised that I'm a father. I was like, what? But today, butt face. What are you doing? Naomi, look. Say hi. We're gonna head out to, I guess, like the family barbecue, Fast and Furious style. And she's gonna close the door on you. Bye. Hi. That's right. No love. But we're gonna head out to, come on baby, go with mama. So we're gonna head out to like the family barbecue style. It's like, I guess, like a Fast and Furious kind of bootleg thing going on. We got myself, of course. We got Driven 17, Butt Crack. Hi. And Naomi. I'm gonna be over there in a sec. I hate when people do that editing thing, but I do it too, so I can't complain. Alright guys, so we're here. I would have gave you guys a cold start. Look at that turd. Look at him. Look at this. Look at this. I would have gave you guys a cold start, but I already started the car earlier, so I didn't want to do that to you guys, but we're here. Before we even go inside, let's look at Monica. Look at Monica. I love my car so much, man. Look at it, and look at this dude. Bro, I thought you didn't let any slow cars here. So, alright, I'm going home. I'm probably I am the slowest one here then, huh? I can beat the SUV at least. What's going on, JP? How's everything, bro? Are you heat wrapping your intakes right now? You know what? I'm just done. I'm trying.
If you watch his videos.
Bro, I know. I can't even roast the fucking guy because every time I do, it's like, it was like, no, actually, you're the slowest. No, actually, he works on his car. You know what? Fuck you guys. I'm going home. Naomi, say hi. Okay, alright, bye. Oh, what? Oh, look at that pose though. What? Hey, Naomi, show him the fit. Show him the fit. Dang. Oh, what? Look at the. Ooh. Ooh. Look at the. Whoa, look. Dang, girl. Dang, he's stunting. Whoa. Look at the puppies. Look at them. Hi. Alright, man, you ready? Go. Give him a pet. Naomi. She's like, oh my god, what's going on? Look at all the doggos. Run, Naomi, run. The Wawa's gonna get you. No. Go. Hey, what are you doing? Are we gonna have a cage match? You. Naomi, come on. Let's go, buttface.
Car's out, and you saw the power. So get watch.
So it's been 20 minutes, and you guys are already getting on like who's gonna park who?
Watch.
Jack Pack gutted with not even bolt-ons.
I've already beaten full bolt-on cars in my car.
Have you beaten the Buster?
No, I'm waiting for you.
Hey, listen.
Next week,
Buster's gonna bust.
Remember not to say that I bought. Don't put it on Instagram.
I'll bleep it out.
I'm gonna text your girl while I'm beating you.
You're a snitch ass nigga.
Man, I'm gonna take a video of you. Motherfucker!
Watch. We'll see what's up.
Ooh. There better be a follow-up.
That's how it sounds when I let out.
You know how I drive, man. You know what's up.
Yeah, you drive like shit.
Yeah, right. Okay.
Bye.
I'm the daddy out there.
Yeah, okay.
I'm the daddy out there.
Bro, I don't want to power shift, bro. I don't want to. Bro, power shifting is awesome.
Even lifting the car, even lift shifting the car, I was still winning races. Lifting,
bro.
So imagine how power shifting is completely different.
Have you been on my channel? Have you seen what
I'm on your channel beating you.
Oh.
Remember that? You're like, remember? And when my car's ahead of you by a mile, you're like, that guy cheated or whatever. You put the little cap, that guy cheated.
Yeah, I'm going 1, 2. And it's already going.
I wasn't. I was at 1, 2, 3. I waited for 3 to take off. And you see the white Camaro a mile ahead of him. Done on his channel.
Bro, wow.
It's the truth.
Bro, I'll let her drive.
It's the truth.
I'll let her drive. She'll even lick the pedal.
We'll see what's up.
Damn, you're saying the baby's got driver mode? Damn.
Hey, your girl's on my side.
Can we talk about that you're a fucking Patriots fan in Miami? Get the fuck out of here.
Bandwagon ass man.
Bro, hold on, man. Hey, look at that. Oh, Dang, dog. What? What is this, bro? Wait, JP, who do you support, though?
Football?
Yeah, football.
Giants. I'm from New York.
So you never want to win, pretty much. I'm a Dolphin fan. I can't say shit. We never win anything. I know. We suffer together. Oh, you look like
I'm really tired, bro.
Why does this couch look like it suits you so well?
Big boy.
The big boy couch, bro.
She go like this, she looks, I was laughing.
You on the grill, bro? Again?
Yeah, that's what I do. If I'm not whooping forks, I'm cooking. That's what it is, man.
Yeah, whatever.
See, I'm burning too.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Run! What are you doing? Go, pet the wow. Pet him. Yeah. We gotta go. Bye. Mommy's like, I'm tired of chasing this little one. Buffets! Alright, Noirgang, so before anything, I gotta look outside because there has to be a whole lot of cars out here right now. Whole lot of Camaros. If you guys have been watching me for a little bit, you know I love 6th gens. Let me count how many are here right now. Not too many. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. A lot of white ones though. Racist, bro. Racist. The Z01, man. Oh, bro. It's clean. Stupid clean. Love it. It's like simple but perfect. And we got another one over there, Camaro. Oh, Camaro, obviously, but convertible is what I meant to say. We got JP's Z over here. You know, out here. Wait, what the hell, bro? I'm fucking stupid. That's my car. Where is JP? That's how similar JP's car and my car look. But obviously not anymore. He put on the lip and everything. So I feel really dumb for getting our shit mixed. Here's Buster, looking good. And here's JP's car. But he's got the new wheels on, man. They look pretty damn good. How do you guys feel about me getting side splitters? Because I already got the Nismo bumper on the way and everything. And you guys already know I got the Nismo rear. But I feel like I should get a good front splitter and put on a side splitter. Obviously not really functional, but you know, I just like it. But we got the same carbon fiber wing though. It's nice. Then we got Driven 17 over here. You guys aren't subbed to him, make sure you do. We got a short miniature person, hey. Another miniature person, hey. Yeah, and then we got the police. So I think we're gonna head out to another homie's house and we're gonna get the cars detailed because my car specifically, bro, it's time. Because I have so many swirls on this car. Plus, taking care of a black car is a mission. It looks good on camera right now, but when you see it in person, there's just, and I hate when I wash my car and then just a day later, stupid crap happens. Like, look at, I hate this so much. But yeah, man, black car and weather and all that, bro, it just doesn't mix. You wash your car, it's dirty literally the first time you drive it. So Roger Badger 5.0 is gonna help me out with detailing the car and putting on some kind of weird sealant on it, so that way we're good to go for the rest of my life, hopefully. Probably like a couple of weeks or something. But all right, okay, let's just catch up from there. Hi, can I get a hug? Can I get a hug? Hi, hi, beautiful. No, oh wow, I saved you. Okay, not in the street, not in the street. He's kind of, I want to get out, but oh, there we go.
People, they're leaving?
Wow, bro, thank you, bro.
Thank you for coming, no problem.
No problem, appreciate it. Yeah, say bye to the coolest dogs ever, bro.
Give me a kiss.
Bye, Naomi. Say bye.
Look, you can stick your hand here. Look. Say bye.
Damn, Jose, how dare you trip my daughter, bro?
I'm so sorry.
What
I'm so sorry.
Naomi, you good? High five? Low five? Fist bump? Boom. Alright, we're out. And we're here. Damn, look at this beautiful love ball over here. What's going on, bro? Damn.
Hi.
What's going on? Oh, Noirgang, what's good? Damn, you just like me. You got your driving shoes on, bro. Damn. What's going on, bro? Damn. Insert sad music.
It's a black car. I'm sorry, I have a black car. I can't drive.
Oh, more doggos, more doggos. Hey, buddy. Hey, hey. Oh, little baby. You are about to be so excited right now. Naomi, look. Look what's here. Whoa, wow. What's that? Another doggo. Alright, so now we're at another homie's house. We're just homie hopping today. That sounds really fucking fruity, but oh my god, look how cute, bro. Naomi, look how beautiful.
Naomi, look.
You don't want to pet the doggo?
Look.
Yeah. Get in there.
Right
yeah.
here. She likes it here, right?
Oh yeah.
So cute.
But yeah, so we're at another homie's house. Today's just Sunday chilling. I don't even know realistically what we're doing. We're just.
Isn't that Publix right there?
Yeah. So if you want to hop the wall,
mommy life, I swear.
it's like Trump was here. Look at the wall.
Look at the wall.
All right, guide me in, bro. Thanks, bro. But now we just need the cones.
1, 2, 3, 4. Light me up a cigarette. Put it in my mouth. You're the only one that wants me around. And I can think of 1,000 reasons why I don't believe in you. I don't believe in you.
Noirgang, that's it. It was a full day barbecue, sliding over to Roger's house and forcing him at gunpoint to detail my car. He's doing the headlights now. I don't have enough space on my memory card to film it. But make sure you guys hit up Badger 5.0. He's the guy, he's the plug, the one that he's the only guy that's allowed to touch my girl. And girl meaning Monica. Not my daughter, I'll kill you. Look, if you guys like these kind of like vlogs, because not everything is, you know, all bang bang, everybody racing in Mexico. Sometimes it's cool just to film everybody chilling. If you guys like it, leave it in the comments down below. Let me know how you feel about it. But just make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Final words go, final words go. Dude, that's not a word.
Bye, Felicia.
Oh shit.